Okay, hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So, I'm really excited for today's video, and since St. Patrick's Day is coming up, very quickly on the 17th, this Wednesday, I think, we're going to dedicate this whole week to drawing tutorial, color pencil, portrait tutorials, and yeah, so I'm really excited. I planned out the whole week of video content for you guys, so each day, there will be a video, and I've already planned it ahead of time. So for today's video, we're going to be drawing a 4-leaf clover. I'm really excited for this. It'll be easy, and of course, we're going to be doing it on the iPad. I just wanted to also show you that you can also do this traditionally as well, use the same technique that I learned and that I had provided for you guys in this video. So after I show you the examples, we're going to be doing 4-leaf clovers. So here are the examples right here. So you can tell some of them have legs, and some of them, have faces, and it's just a lot of fun. So I keep saying a lot of fun and on this channel, but that's what the channel's about. So we're going to be switching styles a little bit today. So we're going to go on the cartoon side. So, which is why I like my style so much, because basically I break my style into two styles, which is realistic and photorealistic, and also the fun side. Not saying that that's not fun, but also cartoons and light drawing and quick, easy. But that's not the point of today's video. The point of today's video is how to draw 4-leaf clover. So I wanted to share this. Guys, I did this a while back. I actually did this in the beginning of March. Like on the first day of March. So, I'm practicing that. And let's go ahead and get started with today's video. Of course, I'll be using my iPad, but you can use like the materials. You can use Tombow brush pens or any greens or markers or color pencils. For the line art, you can use ballpoint pens or fine liners and whatnot. But I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions, also leave them in the comments down below. I don't know how YouTube is going to react to the comment section being turned on and off, since it is a cartoon video. So if the comments are off, be patient with me as I try to fight it to keep them turned on. So with that being said, let's get started with today's video. Okay, hey guys, and welcome to today's video. So I'm really excited for today's video. Another drawing tutorial here for you guys. I know it's going to be a short video, and I just want to go ahead and get to the point. So for the 4-leaf clover, for the guidelines, you want to do a circle and then kind of like a pie, vertical lines or horizontal lines, and you want to draw your 4-leaf clover, like think of a heart-shaped and leaf, and you want to do that, and I kind of messed up, and this was before I realized, oh, you can rotate the paper to your canvas. So I knew you can zoom in and out, but I'm just learning. So I learned that along the way, and yeah, so Procreate is awesome. So anyways, I'm sizing it a little bit so you guys can see it better, and I have made a new layer of, this is where I'm rotating, so I made another new guideline, and I made a new layer for the eyes, and this is all just sketch, and I like to sketch in color because it's just a lot simpler to do the line art for that. So, and I'm lowering the opacity to the layer, and then I'm creating a new layer for the line art and merging the sketch layers together for that. So yeah, so here is the line art for the drawing, and I'm just using one of the ink brushes that Procreate provides. I didn't create my own, but this is the line art, and I'm inking the mouth. So and I'm going over, and this is when I learned how to rotate the paper when I needed it, or the canvas, and yeah, so you just pinch it, rotate it, and like you would do with paper, but I had fun rotating it for my wrist, and yeah, so I hope you guys enjoy today's video. Also, I am using green, kind of like a mid-tone green, and yeah, for the, let's see, for the coloring. So I think that's basically it for today's video, and the lesson is simple that you guys can follow along. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the comments below, and I'll be happy to answer them. You can do this traditionally as well, and I hope you guys enjoy. I'm going to put music to the rest of the video, so thank you for watching. Bye, guys.